Great. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and take a look at Cubetto and just kind of become familiar with what it is, how it works, and then how we do a lesson with the students with Cubetto. So the Cubetto unit comes in this cardboard box, which looks like this. And there's a space for all sorts of different things in here. We have the actual Cubetto unit. This is the robot that moves around. It has wheels on the bottom. It can turn, 360 degrees. It can actually go pretty far by itself, which is nice. This is the control panel. We use this to control the Cubetto robot. There are these different slots here, which we can put some chips inside, and the chips determine where the robot goes. So this is kind of like a primitive algorithm for like programming. So we can tell Cubetto where to go and what to do by using the chips. And the chips come in this little white bag, this little white pouch, and there are 4 different colors. There is green for go straight, yellow for turn left, red for turn right, and the blue chip is very special. This is the function chip. This chip actually doesn't do anything, it doesn't send a command by itself, but allows commands to be multiplied so that commands can be done over and over again. So we can look over here, and this is the map. This is really important for the kids because this is how we can actually sort of see where Cubetto can go, and you can give the students missions. So you can say, if Cubetto, for example, is on the green G circle, you can say, let's make Cubetto go to the castle, and then the students would make an algorithm to send Cubetto to the castle. When you want to turn on the robot, there's an on-off switch here on the bottom. You turn it on like this, and it makes a little sound like that. You have to turn on both units to make it work, and the units have to be paired together. We can't just swap control panels and robots. Here's the on button for this one down here. And this one doesn't make a sound, but it just lights up in blue like that. So, it's okay, teacher.
Sorry.
It's okay.
It's mine. Yeah.
Is it okay, teacher?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. So I'll go ahead and just demonstrate what Cubetto can do very briefly. So I'll use these 3 chips first. So I'm putting the green one here in the start position. And as soon as you put the chip down into the slot, there's a little blue light that turns on, and that shows that it's connected to the system, and that will work whenever you press the go button. So I put the 3 chips down there. It's going to go straight, it's going to turn left, and then it's going to turn right to point in the same direction as it is right now. I press the go button, and it will move like so. And this is, I think it's, Kimberly, it's not your first time to see it, is it?
Yeah.
It is your first time?
Yeah.
Okay.
I
And
teach
it's
on
not your
Monday.
first time? Okay, great. So now let's see how the function works. So again, these blue things don't actually do anything by themselves, they just multiply the actions that Cubetto can do. However, we have to put them in a special place. So just to show the board one more time, if we want to multiply the actions of green or yellow or red, we have to put them in the function block. So if I put the green here, let me move these over here, put the green there, and I have 2 blue function chips. Now it will go straight 2 times, because this will activate whatever's in here. It will carry out the function, and then the other blue chip will happen, and then it will go forward one more time, and then we'll follow these commands. So let's see what will happen. Oh, it's cotton fold. Okay, so pretty much, there's all sorts of things that you can make it do.
Can you do a nested function? Can you put a blue in the function?
You cannot.
Okay.
No. If this is empty, it will just skip and it'll just go straight to the next thing that it can do. If you put a blue function chip in the function block, it won't execute.
Even if you have
commands.
a green one, like a green and a blue?
Let's try it. Let's see. Let's
Like,
put,
no, like green
yeah.
and then
Okay, let's find out. So it's going forward 1.
1 or 2?
Now it's going forward twice.
Oh, you can.
Oh,
It'll go
it
forward
is
4
doubled.
times, 'cause it'll double
Wow. Learning something new.
He's on it.
He's free. Now does
Actually,
does it
this,
just
it
keep?
might be an endless loop actually, because it's doubled. It's,
Oh.
yeah. So
He's coming for me.
So keep going until,
He's finding the door.
Wait, that doesn't make sense. Why is it a? Oh,
Because it's trapped in the
It's
trapped in the loop.
ah.
Yeah, it's trapped in the loop. So let's pretend.
So
I'm
if you
not going
wanted
to stop
to
it.
escape the
Yeah.
classroom, that is what you do.
So let me show you what you can do. It's something like this. I mean, it won't happen, or it shouldn't happen. But if something like this does happen and you want to just stop it, just take something out. Just take something
He's
out,
free.
and it stops
There
like
you
that. If
We
you
broke
interrupt the
it.
connection, if you interrupt the command, then it will just stop. Wow, learned something new today. Excellent. Okay. Does anyone have any? Yeah. Does anyone have any questions so far? No. Okay, great. So the reason I brought you guys into this class is because this class actually uses Cubetto, and there should be the syllabus in here, right there. Nope.
You want me to get it?
Nope, I found it. So the students do these different activities like one at a time. So they're all like different ways of like kind of showing the students what Cubetto can do, and like allowing them to like do problem solving to figure out like what, how to solve different problems. So I'll let you guys take a look at that very briefly. What else is in here? We also have these cards inside the beat up envelope. Yeah. And these cards are like so. They'll have a picture of like, for example, the desert or mountains. And so a game you can play with the students is one student maybe closes their eyes, puts their hand inside and pulls something. This is C6, and then they have to show it to someone else. Or they just do it themselves and they try to send Cubetto to wherever they're trying to get to. Whenever I have a class, I like to let the students try it once by themselves to see how they do. And if they can't do it correctly, then I just assist them and help them get Cubetto to where it needs to go. Any other questions? Any further questions? No?
I have some comments.
Please.
My experience with Cubetto has been that, so this is a sheet of activities. It's like an idea for activity.